Hi, it's life on the West Coast, and yeah, this is a little review I'm gonna have to do of these dentures that I just ordered online. It was a commercial that keeps coming up. This looks nice, I thought. All the teeth look just like real teeth, just like real dentures and everything. It's got a nice contour on the top, so that it looks like it's kind of thick there, and that it would rest in your gums and be contoured for that. Well, this is what you're getting. It doesn't have a contour in it. The teeth don't look separate. It looks like a white strip of round things at the top. But look at, there's no separation of the teeth like there is in this picture. I say that's false advertising, guys. I hate to say it, but yeah, I'm gonna ask for my money back because I tried to put this in and it feels like shit. And this is after I hit it with the hot water, let it soak for 10 minutes, right? It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit worth a shit. I thought it might be nice to have them just for, cosmetic purposes, right? But no, I'm gonna have to ask for my money back. I'm sorry. This is not acceptable. They do not look like separate teeth like it does in the picture. It looks like that's a window and you can see right in. And that is not what I ordered. I'm sorry. Very disappointed. I will ask for my money back and hopefully they'll give it back to me. Until then, I think we'll just have to eat with our teeth that we have. They're not the prettiest, but they're better than this.